Hey designers, in this video, we will create this typography text animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First of all, take the text tool and write the text here. Then adjust the text size according to how you like it. Change the color of it if you want. Align it vertically and horizontally. Next, do the required adjustments that you want to do with the text. It's entirely up to you. So, let's align this in the center. Good. Once you are done with the text, make sure the anchor point is in the center. If not, make it in the center. Once you are done with the adjustments of the text layer that you are working on, we will make a new text. The new text that we will write here will be in a circle. Okay? So, let's write the other text. The next text that we are writing will come in a circle. It's totally up to you whether you want this text to have a larger font or not. I'm going to give it a very small font. Now, to move it inside a circle, let's place it in the center first. Next, take the ellipse tool. Make sure the text layer is selected, then draw a circle on top of it. Now, this circle is acting like a mask, which we don't want. So, in the mask settings, change it from add to none. Then go to the text properties, go to path options, and change the path from none to mask 1. Now, the reverse path option is currently off. If you want to flip the text, turn on the reverse path. I want to create a gap between the texts, so I'll add a gap like this. Use the rotate tool to rotate the text so that part of it is on the top and the rest on the bottom. Once this is done, let's adjust the text itself. I'll give the creativity text an orange color, and also give the same orange color to the excellent text. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Glow. Let's add the glow effect to our text. After applying the glow, let's scale it down a bit. Select the text layer, press S for scale, and adjust the scale down to your preference. Then, adjust the position as needed. Click on the stopwatch next to scale to create a keyframe, and paste the expression that I'll provide in the comments section. You can copy and paste it directly. The final step is to add a solid. Go to Layer, select New, and then Solid. Paste the color code you want for the background. Press OK, then move the solid layer below all the other layers. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs.